In this tutorial, I want to show you how to do some basic calculations in Excel, and also how to make charts and graphs in Excel. First, the first thing you need to know is that you have to put your cursor wherever you want the results to go. For example, if I want to calculate the class average in math, in this example, I put my cursor here. So by doing this, I tell Excel that I want the results to go in this cell. The next step is to go to this function button to choose the function that you want to do. For example, if you want to calculate the standard deviation, you go here. If you want to calculate the average, you go here. And if you want to calculate the total, you go here. So in this case, I want an average, so I go here and calculate the average and click OK. And Excel is asking me to confirm that the numbers that it's about to be average are these numbers, or in other words, Excel is sort of smart and recognizes that I want to add the numbers from here to here, and that's exactly what I want to do. So I click OK, and it's going to calculate the average in math. The same thing here. For example, if I want to calculate the average, that we call it mean in statistics, if I want to calculate the average for each student, or GPA for each student in these three courses, I do the same thing. I put my mouse here and I go to function, I choose average, I click OK, and it's going to calculate the average of 95, 40, and 88, which is exactly what I want to do. So I click OK, and it's going to calculate the average for me. One of the things that you need to know about Excel is the difference between Excel and a calculator. So for example, here I have only 10 students, but imagine I'm dealing with like 100 or 1,000 or 2,000 students. And if I want to use a calculator, I have to do this average for every single student one by one. But in Excel, I just do it once. So it calculates the average for Mike. And then I go to this lower right hand corner, and you see it switches to a plus sign. And then I hold it down, hold my mouse down, and drag this point to here, and this helps me to calculate the average for every single student in this course or in this school or in this school district. Okay, so that's the beauty of Excel, and that's how Excel is different from that. The same thing you can do here. You see, here I calculated the class average in math. I can hold down to this point and then drag it to the right, and it's going to calculate the average in science and computer and math.